Bitcoin has been breaking towards the downside and has been creating this 2% move towards the downside in a matter of a few hours. Now, we were awaiting this huge breakout because we were having a look in towards this symmetrical triangle and a volume was very low. So this whole move towards the downside was not completely unpredictable, and we definitely did have a look in towards this exact dump already before it really happened. Okay, but the real question is going to be, where is this dump going to stop? And a lot more things we need to have a look in towards in this update video. So without any further ado, let's first of all have a look in towards the imminent short term. And right here, what we could be having a look in towards was this symmetrical triangle. And we got a break towards the downside, and ever since we broke towards the downside, we also lost this support level and we created another dump towards the downside. Now, of course, we were rather actually having a look in towards this symmetrical triangle breaking towards the downside because we were still trading inside of a downtrend and we were creating a Bitcoin hidden bearish divergence. And at the same time, everyone was flipping bullish right here at these highs, where we were actually flipping bearish right here. A lot of people were having a look in towards this Bitcoin chart where history looked like it was going to be repeated, but we were saying no. History usually doesn't repeat like this, and we are just going to be chopping around right here and going to be fooling a lot of Bitcoin traders. And right now we are doing exactly that. So yeah, this dump being created was very nice. We of course already warned you many times about this dump. We did not create any kind of a CME gap, so that is a very good signal. Now the next support level, in my opinion, is going to be coming in at about this white line, because right here we cannot really have a look in towards a clear support level, and right here as well, this support level, well, we already lost it towards the downside. So in my opinion, this next support level is going to be this white level, which from that level I do think we can be seeing some kind of a bounce being created. But really the thing we want to be having a look in towards is whenever some bullish news will once again be getting released inside of the market, well, the sentiment is going to be flipping very quickly. Okay, but really the most important level of support right now is going to be this white level. And I do think we are going to be holding our support level right there in the end of the day, because our structure is still looking very good. We are still in this uptrend. We are still holding our support level, and it is just a matter of time before some bullish news will once again come out inside of the market. And whenever that will be coming, well, we can be seeing a very quick upwards move being created. So I do not think we are going to be losing this support level, but I have been saying for a very long time, the short term looks kind of bearish, but in the longer term, I'm definitely still bullish, and I do think this support level is going to be held. So that is exactly what I've been saying for the past couple of days, and I still believe that exactly. Now, in the longer term, definitely a big move is about to happen. Literally, we can still see that our volatility is still sitting at all-time lows, and the Bollinger Bands are right now squeezing us in, and this means that a huge move is about to happen anytime soon. A few weeks ago, we were as well having a look in towards this squeeze, but right now, still, we are not seeing any kind of a huge volatility spike. So still, this huge move is still about to come. We are still seeing all-time lows on volatility, and a huge move either towards the downside or towards the upside is still about to come. So be on high alert on the higher term timeframes. And with that being said, make sure to be following me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.